Hello everyone, so for today we are going to meet my fiancé. So pumunta na nga ako ng airport around 11. Sakto naman kasi daming tao, ang taas ng pila. So tips lang for those who are traveling abroad, prepare nyo na lahat yung documents nyo. Before check-in, hahanapan ka nila ng return ticket and also your travel tax. In my case, since it's 2 a.m., walang office for travel tax, so they asked me to pay it online or to pay it in Manila office. But I was thinking that I don't have much time to pay it because I only have 2 hours layover. Kailangan ko mag-transfer ng airplane and terminal. At ayun na nga, nakasakay na nga tayo ng airplane pupunta ng Malaysia. So ayun na nga, we have 4 hours to fly in Malaysia. So excited na nga ako. At ayun na, nakarating na ako. So since I'm traveling alone and first time ko sa Malaysia, hindi ko alam kung saan ko kukunin yung luggage ko. So what I did, I just followed the people who are the same time with me. So I was surprised. You have to transfer another building and ride a bus papunta doon. So I also asked locals or any staff to make sure na doon kukunin yung luggage. Mabuti na lang may wifi yung airport nila. So I contacted directly Joel. Since he arrived first, I asked him to share his location kasi doon kukunin yung luggage na hindi niya kinuha yung luggage niya. So I think that we're the same because we're just tourists. So I followed the way and ang laki ng airport nila. So you have to walk all the way from the airplane going out and ride a bus. Mga 5 minutes siguro, papunta doon sa next building para doon kunin yung luggage mo. So, standing position lang tayo dito sa bus kasi may nakaupo naman sa mga chairs. So, it's okay. Malapit naman ako sa window. So, sightseeing lang muna tayo. So, mga panahon na yun, hindi ko na na-feel kung gaano kalayo or how many minutes. I was really thinking, this year lang, I'm so excited. Ayun, just keep looking around. What's going on? I don't know what to do. Pero pagkarating doon, akala ko makukuha lang ang luggage. Dadaan ka pala doon sa immigration nila. And another question naman, if you have return ticket, are you going to do it in Kuala Lumpur? Things like that. But they, of course, they don't upload anymore, I think, because you're already there. So they just tap my passport and let me go and get my luggage. So nung nakuha ko na yung luggage ko, hinahanap ko siya kung saan na siya. So I just keep on chatting him. So I was surprised he was already in my bag. And yeah, of course, we're both hugging each other. Of course, we miss each other. Actually, it's been only 5 months nang last kami nagkita kasi January siya nung nag-love siya ng Philippines. And now it's June, so only 5 months. So ayun, sobrang saya ng teta nyo.
Finally, I get to see him. Welcome to Malaysia.
Welcome to Malaysia, our third spot. That's really nice. My secrets. Oh.